lelwapa, lelwapa, home. Tafole, tafole, table. Setilo, setilo, chair. Bolao, bolao, bed. Kiti, kiti, kitchen. Kamore, kamore, room. Go jewa leng, go jewa leng. What time are the meals? Metsi a kae, metsi a kae. Where is the water? Ke kopa dijo, ke kopa dijo. I want food. Ke ja go le gonnye, ke ja go le gonnye. I eat in small portions. Ga ke je nama, ga ke je nama. I don't eat meat. Ga ke nwe maši, ga ke nwe maši. I don't drink milk. Ke kopa go ithetsa, ke kopa go ithetsa. I need rest. Ga ke tlhape, ga ke tlhape. I'm not bathing. Tswe, tswe. Please. Tanki, tanki. Thank you. Ke a tsamaya, ke a tsamaya. I am leaving. Anka thusa, anka thusa. Can I help? Ke na le dipotso, ke na le dipotso. I have questions.
This lesson will prepare you for life living in your host family's house. Your host family will want to provide you with things you need, but you may not know how to communicate those needs. We will provide a short list of phrases that may be helpful to learn so you'll be able to communicate your needs from day one. A more complete list will be provided to you in a packet once you arrive.
Here are some common questions you can ask your family. Where is the bathroom? Go tlhapelwa kae? What time are the meals? Go jewa leng? Where is the water? Metsi a kae? Where is the broom? Lefelo le kae? Can I have food? Ke kopa dijo.
These are a few sentences to tell your family about your preferences. I eat in small portions. Ke ja go le gonnye. I don't eat meat. Ga ke je nama. I don't drink milk. Ga ke nwe maši. I'm not bathing. Ga ke tlhape. I need to rest. Ke kopa go ithetsa.
Volunteers will want to use good etiquette at their homes. Here are a few useful phrases. Please, tswe. Thank you, tanki, or ke a leboga. I'm leaving, ke a tsamaya. Can I help? Anka thusa. I have questions, ke na le dipotso.